Hey guys, if you're just getting started with Backendless and would like to learn more about Backendless Geolocation API, Backendless Console is the best way to start that learning adventure. So for this, you would need to switch to the geolocation screen, and it's going to look pretty much like this, no data. And then to populate your geolocation storage with some data, just click this Setup Sample Data button. There's going to be a pop-up that you need to confirm by clicking Yes. And what's going to happen is Backendless will populate your geolocation storage with some sample data that is just a bunch of geopoints placed into the geoservice_sample category. Every single geopoint represents a city that is somewhere on this planet. The metadata property of any of these points includes the name of the city that it is. And then once the data is there, you can actually start playing with Geolocation API in Backendless as well as the console. So, and there is quite a bit of functionality in console alone. So for instance, when you click on the city, it pops up, it basically shows where that city is, what the metadata is, what the latitude and longitude is. You can turn on map-driven navigation, which essentially is an ability to search location of various points simply by changing the viewport on the right in the browser. You can turn on geo-clustering, and as you can see, the cities are now clustered, and then as you zoom in, those clusters are going to be expanded. You can do search in radius, and once it is enabled, here's a little circle that lets me search within this radius, and as I move around, then the searches take place only within this area. So all of this is of course available via Backendless API, and you can also play with that as well in addition to console. But starting with this sample storage is definitely the easiest way to see how cool Backendless geolocation is and all the functions that it provides.